Welcome to EverFilter. We're an air filter brand that believes in producing high-quality, durable products that are easy to use, cost-effective, and eco-friendly. In this video, we're going to introduce you to our line of aluminum reusable filter frames with pre-cut filter inserts and show you why they're the perfect choice for your home or business. Durability. One of the key features of our filter frames is their durability. Made from high-quality aluminum, these frames are built to last. They can withstand the rigors of everyday use and are resistant to bending or warping. This means that you can trust that your filter will continue to work effectively for a long time to come. Easy to change. Our filter frames come with pre-cut filter inserts that are easy to change. Simply pull out the old insert and place a new one in. It's that simple. No need to fuss with cutting or trimming. Our inserts are perfectly sized for a seamless fit in our filter frames. This not only makes the process of changing your filter easier, but it also helps to ensure that you're getting the best possible airflow and filtration. Cost-effective. Disposable air filters can be expensive, especially if you have to change them frequently. That's where our reusable filter frames come in. By using the same frame over and over again and simply replacing the insert as needed, you can save money in the long run. Plus, our inserts are competitively priced, so you won't have to break the bank to get the high-quality filtration you need. Eco-friendly. In addition to being cost-effective, our reusable filter frames are also eco-friendly. By producing less waste than disposable filters, you can feel good about the impact you're having on the environment. Our filter inserts are the only waste, and made of a single material allowing for proper disposal, you no longer need to worry about the combination of multiple materials used by disposable filters. So, there you have it. Durable, easy to use, cost-effective, and eco-friendly filter frames from EverFilter. We're confident that you'll love the convenience and performance of our products. Visit our website today to find a filter frame that fits your unit for your home or business. Thanks for watching.